Rumours creep in from the south of a giant who leads the forces of Scotland. His great sword driving through earth, man and horse alike. If this mythical knight can stall the English advance, it will give us time to develop the arms we need. Even now our smiths are forging swords and fletchers are crafting arrows and crossbow bolts. The English use very advanced weapons and armour. To win, you will need to advance to the feudal age and repel the English raids. You're going to need to research some technologies of your own to increase the strength of your civilization. For example, researching loom makes your villagers harder to kill. To research loom, click the town centre, then click the research loom button. Good. Researching technology costs you resources, but improves your civilization. While researching, you can put your villagers to work and use your military units to explore.
Kid?
Theodige.
Evlav. Bid 4.
Forgere? Selgere?
Örlöv.
Bonage? Kia? Bid 4.
Kid ta. Ta.
Erlov? Fiedige?
New technologies and buildings become available when you advance to a new age. To advance from the Dark Age to the Feudal Age, you need 500 food.
Bid 4. Kid ta. Ta. Margaret ta. Ta. Bid 4.
Now you have enough food to advance to the Feudal Age. However, you also need 2 buildings from your current age. In addition to gathering food at forage bushes, villagers can herd sheep or hunt deer for food. You already have a barracks.
Kia.
So now have your villagers build a mill.
Oh.
The mill is a drop-off point for food. So build it next to your food source.
Rabuga.
Now you can advance from the Dark Age to the Feudal Age. Click your town centre, then click the Advance to Feudal Age button. Good. You're on your way to the Feudal Age. To arms. The English are making a sneak attack.
Evlav ta. Danka. Ta. Kid. Kobo. Kobo.
Now that the battle is over, create some extra militia units at the barracks to replenish your forces.
Bid 4. Margaret. Ta. bid 4. Kid, tall.
Congratulations! Advancing to the next stage is the best way to improve your civilization, the idle villager button.
Margaret.
Click it and locate villagers who are not currently assigned to a task. Now that you're in the feudal age, you can upgrade your militia to men-at-arms. Click the barracks, then click Upgrade to Men-at-Arms. Upgrading to Man-at-Arms will change all your militia units to the more powerful Men-at-Arms. The English are attacking again. Teach them a lesson with your new men-at-arms. The English are no match for your warriors.
Erlaf, bid 4.
Longshanks has invaded, stormed and sacked the city of Perth. Worse, he has captured the fabled Stone of Scone and declared himself King of Scotland. If we cannot bring about a victory in battle soon, the Scottish armies will be too demoralised to put up any fight at all. If this mythical Scottish giant does exist, I wish that he would bring his forces up to Stirling, where we shall next do battle.